guys! Merienda tayo. I have here creamy halo-halo from Luxuria Treats by JS. Kakatapos ko lang guys maglinis and grabe, super pagod ako. And this is my reward to myself today. My special merienda, creamy halo-halo. Tikman na natin. So, ang dami ingredients guys ng halo-halo na to. May sweetened banana, sweetened red beans, sweetened corn, may ube halaya, may leche flan, may nata de coco, may jackfruit, and their homemade cream. Ayan. So, para malaman natin talaga at makita yung ingredients niya, ito-transfer ko siya dito. Bubus natin lahat. Yung halo-halo guys is my favorite Pinoy dessert talaga. So tuwing umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, talagang hinahanap-hanap ko to. So tikman natin kung masarap tong creamy halo-halo ng Luxuria Treats. So first time ko to guys. Ayan. Grabe, ang daming ingredients guys. May sweetened banana, sweetened red beans, sweetened corn, may ube halaya, may leche flan, may crispy coconuts, may jackfruit, and their homemade cream. Tingnan nyo guys, ang daming ingredients. Ang creamy. Masarap. Kapag ganitong halo-halo talaga, makakalimutan mo yung lungkot at saka pagka-homesick mo. Gusto ko yung nata de coco, yung jackfruit. Ang creamy. Ang sarap. So guys, kung gusto niyo matry ang creamy halo-halo na to, order kayo sa Luxuria Treats by JS. Yung isang ganito is 1,100 yen, pero may sale sila ngayon, 950 yen yung ganito. Tikman nyo na. Ang sarap talaga guys, promise.